And special thanks to our friends at CASEKOO who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 Magicstand case. Inside of the box here, nothing else in there, is the black iPhone 15 case, as well as pamphlet on the Magicstand and some cool little stickers. But this is the black Magicstand iPhone 15 case. Love the design and the feel of this case. It's like very sturdy. And if we take our iPhone 15, slide it in, buttons first, you can see nice speaker grill cutout and USB-C port, cutout for your switch and your volume rockers, camera module, power button, and most importantly, a MagSafe ring for your MagSafe accessories, as well as a nice kickstand for your iPhone 15. Special thanks to our friends at CASEKOO who were nice enough to send us their Magicstand iPhone 15 case. Nothing to really show you around the box. Open it up, slide out the case, nothing in the box, and this is the case itself. A very nice design. Love this soft feeling on the inside. Designed by CASEKOO Lab. Have a nice magnetic kickstand here. And then there's also a little pamphlet and some cool stickers. Let me grab my iPhone 15 and put it in this case. So take your iPhone 15, slide it in, buttons first, and there you go. That's what your phone would look like inside of this case. A little speaker grill down here, USB-C port, still have your switch, as well as your volume rockers and your power button. Camera cutout, and then like I said, most importantly, you have a nice kickstand for your iPhone. And special thanks to our friends at CASEKOO who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 case. And inside of this box, have our case, nothing else in here. And so we have the case, a little pamphlet about the Magicstand, and some cool stickers. Most importantly, this is a green iPhone 15 case. I do love the soft feel here on the inside. This is a MagSafe ring, which also doubles as a kickstand. So if we take our iPhone 15, slide it in, buttons first, you can see this is what your iPhone 15 would look like inside of this case. A little speaker grill, USB-C port, power button, small CASEKOO logo, cut out for the cameras, and most importantly, a little kickstand for your iPhone 15. That'll essentially do it for this green iPhone 15 case. Thanks again to CASEKOO who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.